Can't tell you why she's treating you so bad, but I can only try to be here. You'll learn with me. I'ma always be here. You don't have to tell me what she really does. Your eyes are crying out and I cannot see. I know you're hurting and I will be there whenever you need me. Boy, I will be here. I will answer your calls and I'll be here most of all. But you don't gotta tell me how you truly feel. You'll learn to see with me, boy, I keep it real. 'Cause maybe I love you, maybe I need you, maybe you need me, we're meant to be. And you don't gotta tell me what she really does. 'Cause I can see with you, baby, you're crying for me. And I'ma be here, I'm your keeper when you need me. When you need me. And I can hear you crying, I can hear your heart crying for me, for me, crying out for me, baby, I can hear you. Listen, you don't gotta tell me, I already know. You don't have to tell me what she truly does. 'Cause baby, I can see that your heart needs me. Yes, it does. Just know that I'ma be here. Just know that I'ma be here. Always. 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 Always.